What is up, everybody? We have a trade recap today. We took another losing trade, but if you watched last video, you know exactly how I'm feeling right now. All right, I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good because I know that it was just opportunity to get better at losing. Our XFA is now I would say it's pretty much at break even, minus $70 on the XFA. So to me, everyone's risk tolerance and risk management is different, but that's pretty much break even for me. I'm not really too worried at all. I'm just going to keep trading it like how it should be. And I know everything will play out because I have a very high win rate, bro. I had like a 6-0 win streak before these two losses, so I don't really care. I'm not worried about it at all. But it was a decent way to start the month. I will say, um, school fucked me over again today, like yesterday, right? Yesterday fucked me over really badly, and then today, really badly again. Just because I would have taken I would have taken a trade that would have won if I didn't have school. And then later on, I got FOMO because I couldn't have taken that trade, and then I forced a trade. So therefore, I'm not gonna give myself too much blame for taking the bad trade because of the FOMO. I understand, obviously, you shouldn't be feeling FOMO, but I'm human, and I got really bad FOMO because of it, and I forced a trade. I need to improve on that. I need to get rid of FOMO, but I will say, you know, if I didn't have a school, I would be on an 8-0 win streak right now, and my eval would be up like 2K instead of that break even. So I think it's fair to blame a little bit of a little bit of this on school. I literally couldn't have taken this because I was in class, but I'll show you exactly the trade I would have taken. And you guys are gonna be like, bullshit. I don't care. I'm doing this for myself here. But yeah, I would have taken this. If you guys, watch how I trade, then this is exactly what it would have done. Price during market open came down, swept out these London lows, filled this bullish 4 hour per value gap. Following that, what do we see? We swept it. We had an unfilled 5 minute right here. And then what happens? Go to the 1 minute. So this is the only inversion that we had. We had no other for value gaps. So this is the trade I would have taken. This 1 minute IFEG would have entered right here. Since the objective with my model is to target the unfilled 5 minute, it wouldn't have given a good enough risk reward. I would have targeted these highs, gone break even at the 5 minute, and this would have won. Would have been done. Boom! Before 10 a.m., I'm done with trading. At 9:53, I'm off the charts. Right? It's just tough. Like these annoying because this is annoying because it's not really my problem here. This is my guys. This is my A+ model. This is at 9:45 right before the macro, so the timing isn't that bad. It's like this is just stupid, man. It just feels retarded because it's just not shouldn't be happening. I don't know. I don't know. I think God's just testing me before I receive all the blessings, which it seems like a normal thing. So then later on around 11 a.m. Right, this is when I was able to trade around. I was able to trade 10:30, but there was nothing at 10:30. We had these highs here. I wanted to take something to these highs, but NQ just did not give me a setup, so really can't do anything about that. But we ended up sweeping them, and once we swept the highs, we put in a bullish 15-minute fair value gap right here. So I'm like, okay, same thing. I want to see price rebalance to this area here. Going to the 2 minute here, we had this 2 minute inversion. Where was it? Right here. Really, this is just sloppy, right? Because I don't know. We already rebalanced multiple times, so it's kind of just stupid here. Short off the inversion, stops above the highs, and then take profits was, of course, right here. And then they just lost. Is this a good trade? No, not really. It is the model. If I was a robot, then I would have taken this because, liquidity sweep, manipulation, inversion, unfilled gap. Beep. If I was a robot, I would have taken this. I wasn't a robot. I was just, feeling that FOMO. The reason this isn't good is if you go to the 5 minute, after we swept the liquidity here, we rebalanced to this 5 minute. So in this case, the objective of the model is already taken. So I would have had to see this inversion to take any trade. That's why that trade wasn't good. But Then we ended up manipulating highs over and over again. This trade, it's something that I would have taken if it was like, I don't know, like right before the liquidity sweep. Because inversion, it's like mid, right? It's nothing that good. It's nothing that bad. So that lost, not a good trade. Again, FOMO caused me to enter that trade probably, and then here, so what was I thinking? Oh yeah, right here. So we continue to push higher, and I'm like, all right. At this point, like I feel like price, it's kind of it's like bound to have to rebalance itself, or at least just like retrace, because I mean, I come on, like we've been moving up for like 300 points, and we took out an external high. We're probably gonna get a rebalance. So I was thinking that this 3 minute inversion is pretty small, but I think I had a good objective here. Stops above here, take profit here. My stop loss was actually here. Let me show you what happened here. Um, this is what really, this is what makes me feel a little bit annoyed about the losing day. So I entered here, right around there. Stops above these 1 minute highs right here. Got it. This 1 minute high. That's where my stop loss was. It was simply because if it got like any higher, it would have liquidated it because of my daily loss limit is like 300 or something. So what happened is got the inversion. And yeah, I mean, we went break even at this 5 minute fair value gap. And guys, I'm being serious. I don't know what happened here. I went break even right when we took it. Stops break even. It didn't even hit my break even. So it legitimately did not hit my break even, but it somehow did on my top set. Somehow it hit my break even, and then ran for 4R. Uh, yeah, yeah. These days sting a little bit. Like a loss and then a break even like this. Nah, that's crazy, bro. I mean, like, there's really nothing you can do. This trade is probably a little more high quality than this one. I would say just because this is obvious that we're going to retrace because we've been just so bullish, right? And we're also reacting off an external high. But this one, I feel like it was just like right after filling the 5 minutes, so it was too soon. This is all right, but like, isn't that crazy, bro? Like, it just shouldn't have even hit my break even, but it did. That's just what annoys me. But I guess there's nothing I can do. Come back tomorrow, good mindset again, opportunity to step away when you don't feel like it. That's it's going to build you as a trader. So I'm going to continue to be able to. Bro, I'm getting so much better at losing. I mean, I know you guys can probably see it in my attitude. I've just gotten a lot better at losing, but days like these always hurt. There's nothing you can do to avoid that pain, um, but accept it. Just accept it. That's the feeling, right? I don't usually drink these, but this losing day made me gotta get one of those just to get some energy in my system here. But yeah, excited for the summer. You know, don't want to. Again, I said this last video, but in the summer, I do think that it's gonna be a lot easier because I'll be able to sit on my desk and trade. And I know if I was able to do that this week, I would have been 3-0 on the week. Um, so yeah, I would have been 3. I should be 3-0 on the week. That's what annoys me. Not like the losing itself. It's just the fact that it should be 3-0 because of school and everything. So yeah, I would be up a lot of money this week. I would have been up like a lot. So, anyways, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.